Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're discussing the world of sales and marketing with a splash of leadership wisdom. First up, we're exploring what customer success strategies truly resonate with today's modern buyers. Then, we'll chat about a topic that's all the buzz in sales circles. For our marketing mavens, we're adding a new task to your social media toolkit: listening. Trust me, it's more fun than it sounds. We'll also recap our enlightening chat with David Horsager on building high-trust teams. Spoiler alert, it's all about connection. Finally, for our team leaders and execs, we're tackling the big question: how can workforce analytics help reduce employee turnover? So let's get started. Let's dive into the world of customer success strategies, shall we? First up, it's all about improving the customer experience. Offering products and services that truly meet your clients' needs. If you don't adapt and improve, growth will stall faster than a millennial's Wi-Fi at a coffee shop. Next, let's talk responsiveness. Did you know that nearly 55% of buyers say responsiveness is a top seller trait? That's according to Sales Fuel. So, don't leave your customers hanging like a bad Tinder date. Be there for them. And finally, personalization is key. 77% of B2B buyers prefer companies that tailor experiences to their needs, says Charles Godet. So, get personal, analyze that data, and make your clients feel like they're the only ones in the room. Remember, by focusing on these strategies, you're not just supporting your clients, you're empowering them. And that's how you build loyalty and advocacy. Keep rocking it and read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, let's talk about the art of closing a sale. And spoiler alert, it's not about having a magic phrase or a slick one-liner. First takeaway, building trust and understanding your prospects' needs is key. Forget the pickup lines. Focus on being a relationship builder who provides value. As Jeffrey Gitomer puts it, great salespeople are relationship builders who provide value and help their customers win. So, let's start winning by listening more and talking less. Second, let's talk about confidence and communication. Successful closers are confident communicators who know their industry inside out. They don't just sell products, they make sure the product fits the buyer. Sandra Coffey from Indeed.com highlights that communication, confidence, industry knowledge, and listening are your best friends in this game. So, brush up on those skills and watch your closing rates soar. Lastly, it's all about value perception. According to Qualtrics.com, customer value is their perception of your product's worth. So, make sure your value proposition is crystal clear and resonates with your customers' needs. Remember, it's not about finding customers for your products, but finding products for your customers. In short, be a strategic, value-driven communicator, and you'll close those deals like a pro. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, here's the latest scoop on social media trends. First up, organic social media is where it's at. A whopping 77% of businesses believe it's going to be more crucial this year. So, think about how you can raise brand awareness and connect with your customers. Maybe it's time to get creative with video posts, which over 75% of marketers are planning to use. Trust me, videos are like catnip for engagement. Now, let's talk about timing. Posting on Facebook between 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. from Tuesday to Friday is your sweet spot. And if you're targeting a B2B audience on LinkedIn, aim for Wednesdays and Thursdays between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. Timing is everything, my friend. Lastly, don't forget about social listening. It's not just about posting, it's about hearing what your audience is saying. Around 50% of marketers are using social listening to monitor brand reputation. So tune in and get that competitive edge. Remember, with the right strategy, your social media can be a powerhouse for your brand. You've got this. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next topic comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and C. Lee Smith. In this episode, they explore the power of trust with David Horsager, CEO of the Trust Edge Leadership Institute. Trust isn't just a buzzword, it's a confident belief in a person or organization that can transform everything from sales to retention. Here's the kicker: trust is the #1 reason people stay at a job. So, if you're a leader, building trust isn't optional. It's essential. David shares that trust can be built or lost in a moment, especially during a crisis. How you respond when things go sideways can either skyrocket or plummet your trust levels. So, next time you're in a pinch, remember, your reaction is your opportunity. And here's a golden nugget. Clarity is key. People trust the clear and mistrust the ambiguous. So, spell out expectations and simplify your message. As David says, trust always is the key driver to retention and speeding up sales. Remember, trust is your secret weapon to success. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our Forfeit Simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final discussion is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's dive into the world of employee turnover and how to keep your team intact. First up, did you know that 30% of employees leave because of issues with their manager? Yep, that's a biggie, according to research from SalesFuel. So here's the deal. Meaningful conversations are key. Make sure you're chatting with your team about their future and career goals. It shows you care and can prevent them from looking elsewhere. Next, let's talk about workforce analytics. These tools can be your best friend in understanding what makes your team tick. By knowing their motivations and work traits, you can tailor your management style to keep them engaged and happy. Remember, it's not just about the paycheck or title. Sometimes it's about feeling valued and having control over their work. Lastly, let's not forget about personalized retention plans. Regular feedback and goal setting during one-on-one meetings can make a world of difference. It's about listening more and helping your team grow. So let's keep those conversations going and use data to our advantage. Your team will thank you, and you'll build a stronger, more loyal workforce. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from SalesFuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by C. Lee Smith, Jessica Helensky, Rachel Cagle, Austin Richards, and Tim Londergan. And I'm your host, Allison Gray. SalesFuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of SalesFuel Incorporated.